the next function, that is your find all, which is going to return all non-overlapping matches of a pattern in a string. So this is basically used to find all occurrences of a pattern in a particular string, and it is the string is scanned from left to right and matches return the order that is found. For example, here we have taken imported this module re, and here we have taken one string say str, which is holding my number is this and my friend's number is this. This is the complete string I have. Now here I'm trying to define one pattern in the form of a variable regex, okay, and what is the pattern is /d plus. So we understand this d indicates the decimal digits, okay, and plus indicates match with one or more occurrences of a digit. So from the beginning till the end, wherever it is going to find numerical values of the decimal digits with one or more occurrences, they are going to be matched. So now when I'm going to call find all function, and we are supplying this pattern that I have defined here, and I'm going to apply on this string that is holding this entire string here. So now as we can see, this is going to match in these two occasions. This is a set of sequence of digits. Here also this is the one. Okay, so it is going to search from the beginning till the end what are the numeric values that we have and that are being stored into it. So now when I'm going to print this match object, so I'll be getting a list of all the numeric values that we have. So we can see this is a list that we have got first of all, and there are two items here. The first item is this first number we have, and the second one is this one.